Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife that I got from Real Steel. This is the Real Steel Griffin Pro. The model number is 7131NM, and finally we have this version also in Micarta. So this is an older design, released in 2016 if I'm not mistaken here, and it was designed by Carson Huang. He is also known for his real Chinese name, Huang Liang Z, and he was the developer or also the owner for Carson Tech Lab. Back then it was one of the higher end OEM manufacturer knives with companies like Kevin John, and they were releasing super advanced knives for those standards. It was, I don't know, definitely before 2010. And in 2013, when the Real Steel company was basically started, he then collaborated with them and designed a couple of knives for them, and this was one of his designs. Now this one you can be also available through, or should I say only through, Real Steel knives. So this is the Griffin Pro. In the box we have some information about the warranty of the companies, different designs. So this is the same pamphlet like always. Here's the knife itself. And the old version was has the number E775. If my notes are correct, of course. Now fast forward to 2025, we finally have available also the version in Micarta. This is why I bought one of these. This is, in my opinion, is a really excellent ETC sized knife for my XL size hand. Let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a overall length of 20.7 centimeters, that is 8.1 inch. The blade length is 9 centimeters, 3.5 inches. Blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. Thickness to 3.4 millimeters or 0.13 inches. Hand length 11.7 centimeters or 4.6 inches with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.46 inches without measuring the pocket clip. On the blade we have 14C28N. Nice stone washing applied. This is I always appreciate it for EDC knives. In my opinion, one of the best working finishes you can have. The beautiful drop point configuration, forward finger choil, and for opening method we have this thumb cutout here, which should resemble a Griffin's eye. As far as the handle goes, like I mentioned, natural canvas micarta, not treated, polished, or buffed. So this will darken a little bit while you are using it, and this is the nice standard orangey brownish looking micarta that lots of companies, Chinese companies, did start to use when they jumped on the micarta train. As far as the assembly goes, we have caged ball bearing washers inside with a button lock or plunge lock. Has also a secondary safety, but can be engaged only when the knife is open. So this should make it extra safe. As far as liners goes, we have nested liners which are not skeletonized, nicely hidden right there. As far as the pocket clip goes, we have just a standard banded metal clip with medium to I would say this is a medium to low stiffness here. Unfortunately, we have no cutout or no mounting position for the left-handed users, unfortunately. As far as the construction goes, we have open construction with one standoff here. The weight is 93.6 grams or 3.3 ounces, so really nice lightweight in my opinion. me show you sharpness out of the box. Really nice, super sharp. Let's see the pocket profile. You'll go inside the pants without any problems. This is how much it will be sticking out. Since we also have it, let's try also the lock here. I will not, on purpose, not engage the lock here. So yes, perfectly safe even without engaging the lock here. Like I mentioned, opening is only via this thumb cutout, or you can use also the plunge lock as a gravity swing open. Now, as far as variants goes, I did look it up. Currently, I saw only black G10, green, brown, and blue Micarta. Maybe in the future there will be also some premium editions, like for example titanium, or maybe they will also release the aluminum or aluminum version, but I don't know right now if this is possible. So the best part is of course for the last, and that is the price. So the MSRP of this knife is $65, but usually you will not pay $65. Even if it was $65, I would say it's a good price in today's economics. But I saw it for as low as $48 in US, and here in Europe at around 60 euros. So yes, definitely a little bit more. I would definitely like to pay, let's say somewhere around those 55 euros mark. That will be a nice sweet spot. But even at 60 euros, it is a good price if you're considering how much tax and import fees we have to pay on things that are not made here around. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons. So this is one of those knives that really I was really happy to get for my collection, because now I can complete the nice orangey brown looking Micarta lineup. So from Vosted we have the raccoon, from QSP we have the penguin, and from CVV we have the Elementum. So all of these should have the same Micarta. Now let's continue with also some other knives. As far as the budget goes, let me put also in the Toxicofera from Burger Plus, a little bit larger. Yeah, really nice. From CRKT, there should be something like a pillar, but pillar is not available in standard with Micarta. So this was a dealer exclusive. But a good thing is we have here a standard production model with Micarta, which is the Padawan. So okay, as far as go aftermarket scales, here is the Benchmade bug out. Let's continue with the full-size Griptilian from Benchmade. And the CGRB Pyrite Alt. Here is the CGRB Feldspar full-sized. Spyderco Paramilitary 2, just a little bit larger. From petrified fish with the same micarta, we have the 949 warrior. I have another one from QSP. This is the Volt. A little bit smaller, but I would say same aesthetics, different lock. Bucksprint Pro with this beautiful burlap micarta here. From Kaiser, I have a couple of knives. So here's the this is the Feist XL. Let's see the Kaiser Big Lighter 2. And also let me show you the Kaiser Pinch, which was one of the first production micarta combinations that Chinese value or budget offer produced. So we came a long way as far as quality goes. Okay, let's see some other knives. So here is the Red Model 1 from Best Tech Man. I have here Dundee. This is unfortunately also a special edition here with the brown linen micarta, beautiful linen micarta. From Watchman, I have here the W111, also orangey micarta right there, and also the QSP Osprey with the same type of micarta here. Okay, so as far as some more known designs, here's the Spyderco Delica and Endura. Let's see the Buck Sovereign. $940 from Benchmade, another excellent EDC. Kershaw Leak. Kershaw Blur. Let's see the Peanut here. And also Sharpie. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say this is a really excellent DC knife. So if you're looking for something inexpensive with good materials, micarta of course, then check out the Real Steel Knives Griffin Pro. And with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I am more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.